Hey guys, welcome to Nasika's Kitchen. Today a client called me to go and assist them with the laundry and cookery job. And as you know, I have a company that deals with cookery, laundry and housekeeping, and you can get in touch. We are just one call away. So as usual, I had to start by laundry work, then I go to cookery. And mostly when I do the laundry, I like using Ariel because it removes the stains so fast, and also it's not harsh on my skin. So guys, the first thing that I always do is to separate the clothes, the ones that are clean, the ones that are not clean, the ones that are dirty, and also depending with the colors, the ones that remove the colors and the ones that are good. So that is me washing, and I always like to use like 3 to 4 basins of water to rinse the clothes so that they come out so clean. And by the way, in urban areas, people are so busy Monday to Sunday, so there are those who don't get the opportunity to do housekeeping. There are those who don't get the opportunity to cook for their families, and also there are those who don't get the opportunity to do laundry. So as Nasika's cleaning services, we are here for you, and we'll do this job until you are satisfied as a customer. So don't hesitate, you can make a call and we are here for you. So after that, I had to clean the airline because it might have dust or rust. So it's good to clean so that when you put your clothes, they remain clean. They're there drying. Meanwhile, I want to start preparing the lunch. It's so simple. It's Irish potato with rice. First, I'll peel the potatoes and then I dice. After that, I'll dice the carrot. Set aside. I'll also dice 2 tomatoes. Set aside. Slice the onions. Set aside. There they are. In my cooking pot, I'm going to add some oil and some salt. Add onions, some carrots, stir, add some potatoes, stir, cover. After 2 to 3 minutes, I remove the lid. Add some tomatoes, turn, cover. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'll remove the lid. Continue mixing. Add seasoning spice. Stir. Remove the lid. Don't they look amazing? Stir a bit. Add the rice. I used 1 cup of rice, so I'm going to use 2 cups of water, and ensure the measurements are right. If you use the same cup that you will use for measuring the rice, is the same cup you'll use to measure the water. I'll keep on stirring. Cover. Add some water. And stir so that everything mixes nicely. I'll cover. Cover again. It's cooking so well. I'll add some coriander or dhania. Give it a quick mix. It's ready. And remove it. I'll use the fork to test it's not sticking. It means it's ready. Here it is. It looks so amazing. You should book with us and we'll really appreciate.